Alright, so let's talk about loading up a kayak for camping. I've just pulled up at the start of an 800-meter portage. It's early May. I have some extra gear that I wouldn't normally be bringing because the water temperatures are extremely cold. A week ago, this lake was still ice covered. So I've pulled up. My paddle and my spray skirt and my life jacket are behind the camera already, but everything else is still in the boat. My map, of course. Front hatch is a compression sack that is all of my clothing other than what I'm wearing. It is my food barrel for the trip, and hiding way up in front is my portage yoke. Without this, kayak camping is not a fun experience. So that's the front. Back hatch. Should probably stop showing my ass to the camera. The rear hatch has my hiking boots. Again, this is about the only trip of the year these come on. Most of the time they're just too bulky and cumbersome. I just bring water shoes. Kind of wishing I hadn't brought them on this trip, to be honest. There is a tiny little compression sack that has my tent fly, the ground sheet, and a tarp. There's my jacket. I keep it out just in case I need it. This has 3 smaller dry bags inside of it. This is my tent stuff, personal effects, my phone, my keys. My cooking gear is in a separate bag in here, and my emergency bag is in here as well, which is everything from Band-Aids and Advil to stuff I'd need if I were to break something, I suppose. The canoe pack itself, a pair of dry running shoes, lightweight, my fuel, a bear mace, and this is the dry parts of my tent rolled up with my sleeping pad, my saws in here, and a couple little pieces of random stuff like tarp or rope and clothes pegs. So that's everything in the kayak. Next up, it'll be packing a canoe pack.